Good evening. My name is Mohd Syafiq. My registration number is 20DE 20F 2803. My group member is Hafeezur Haikal bin Hamizon and Nursyahirah Adibah binti Ramli. Our topic today is trigonometry in civil engineering. Let's start. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study relationship between side length and angle of triangle. Trigonometry is derived from two Greek words like trigonon is triangle, metron measure. Trigonometry consists Pythagorean theorem, its function interest. How Pythagoras theorem look like in triangle? This theorem can only be applied on 90-degree triangle, also known as right angle triangle. On this diagram, each side on the triangle are labeled with letter of A, B, and C. Each letter labeled on triangle indicate its side: A for adjacent, B for opposite, C for hypotenuse. Width is nearby the 90-degree, along with side B, which is for opposite side that opposing the hypotenuse with labeled as C. This indication allows us to know its site and its location. The formula that used in this theorem is a square plus b square equals c square. Next, we will talk about the trigonometry function. There are three functions in trigonometry which is sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse and cosine theta equal to adjacent and over hypotenuse, and tangent theta equal to opposite over adjacent. To make us remember the formula for all function, we can remember a mnemonic, Soh Cah Toa.
Alright, I'm going to talk about the application of geometry in civil engineering. So first of all, trigonometries play a very important role in construction, buildings and concrete developments, whether governmental or non-governmental. In the development, trigonometry is always being used to measure the height of the peak of the building. We directly measure it with rough style. In addition, the deconstructors also use trigonometry to ensure that the falling of the buildings is estimated to be in the safe area. Now, move on to the part where we are going to find the height of the building by calculation. Before that, you need to know what to do and not to do. First, locate a building that you want to measure on. Get yourself a good spot for you to measure, but don't get too close or too far from the building, or at least 100 meters from it if not predictably high. Next, get yourself a protector that straw tape on it and string with a weight tied on it. You made yourself a clinometer. Stand straight towards the building. Now, lean the clinometers at the side of your view. From the horizontal side of the clinometer, tilt the clinometer upwards so the horizontal line of the straw is pointing towards the peak of the building. Record the angle measured on the clinometer. Now, calculate the height by multiply the distance between you and the building in the meters by tangent theta, which is the angle of the kilometers that you got sum up with your height. Finally, you got the most accurate height of the building. That's all for me. Now we move to the question.
equation of height building. Okay, Question of height building is, we assume that B and C represent the position distance of the building. A and B are the height of the building and represent the angle C. The distance between the corner C and B is 50 meters and the value of the elevation angle 60 degrees. Okay, this question is based on the angle C facing the building. Angle C is given 60 degrees and the angle from B to C is 50 meters. Then the formula we use is tan C equal the building height per angular measuring distance to the building. The second is tan C changed to 60 degrees because tan C is already divided and it is opposite. The tan 60 degrees equal to building height per 50 meters. So lastly, building height is equal to tan 60 degrees multiplied by 50 because when we move tan multiplied by 50, so we multiply as usual and we get the height of the building.
Okay, thank you for Hafeezur Haikal and Nursyahirah. The conclusion is trigonometry is used to find information about all of triangle and right angle triangle in particular. For all about trigonometry can be used with civil engineering to build building perfectly. Okay, that's only. Thank you.